one of the recommendations was to stop using subtasks where custom fields would be more appropriate. It would help with the reporting and it would give more clarity to the team. So what we're going to do next is to show you how we added the custom field, and then I'll go through and apply that custom field once added. So I'm going to go to our handy demo space, and we have our lists per workstream. So what we're going to do is go to custom fields, and we'll create a field, a drop-down field called workstream. And then here we're going to name them, the actual options. So the first one is app, and the next one is doc. The next one is AI, UX, front end, DB, and we will create them. So now it's created, we'll go in and apply them. So I'm just going to select everything and then go to W stream. So this one is DB, and then we'll do the same for the rest of them. Front end. There is a quicker way to do this. We can go to the folder level and go to list. And the default is to also group by list, which we want to do because it'll keep everything in one place. And it might make it easier to see the workstream. We can see what's been added. So we know that DB has been done, front end's been done. So let's highlight all of UX. We're going to deselect, otherwise it'll just add to everything. And then we'll go to AI. So if you see, I've moved on and it's got the 5 still selected. And if I select more, it'll just keep that last 5. And then it'll change the workstream to the most recent one. So let's not do that. We're going to go to doc. And then lastly, we'll go to app. And now, when we go through and consolidate each of the tasks or each of the lists into one, we'll be able to separate them out by workstream.